Good morning, class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Adaptation in Animals, Chapter 4. We all know that there are several types of animals on Earth. They have different features that help them to survive, and these features help the organisms to survive in their habitat, that is adaptation. Before understanding adaptation, let us understand what is a habitat. A habitat is the place where animals, plants, or people live. It provides everything a living thing needs, that is, the basic important needs: food, water, and shelter. There are different habitats. You have forests as one of the habitats. In that habitat, you have animals. You have bear, birds, raccoons, snakes, and deer. Next is the wetlands. Animals living in that wetlands are frogs, fishes, ducks, crocodile, turtle. You have ocean where you have animals living: fish, dolphin, shark, and turtles. You have desert living animals: camel, lizard, coyote, and snake. Now let us understand what are adaptations now. Have you ever wondered how animals are able to survive in the wild? Animals have certain adaptations that help them to survive. So let us learn about them. Think about the way you dress in the winter. You don't wear your shorts or bathing suit when it's snowing outside. You wear warm clothes and maybe even a hat and mittens to protect yourself from the weather. And what if you are having a snowball fight? You probably run away from the person throwing at you and maybe even try to sneak up on that person and throw some snowballs. The way you dress in the winter, as well as the way you run and hide when someone throwing snow at you, are kinds of adaptations. I hope that you're clear with the concept and the term adaptations. What is adaptation? The process which enables organisms to adjust to their environment in order to ensure survival.